going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies2000s.com. Got a site for you, Swagbucks, my number one get paid to site. I've made a lot of videos on this site because I make so much money with it. And I just want to continue to show you how you can really make easy money with this site. I'm going to do another $25 cash out. You see here my balance, I have 2,420 Swagbucks. I'm going to be cashing that out, but I'm actually going to be doing $25. I'm gonna show you how I do that a little later. But just a tutorial on this site. I do surveys here. If I go over here to answer, you see the full list of surveys that they have for you. So you'll see all of these surveys. When it's a featured right here, it means you have a high chance of qualifying for it. So it's like, when it comes to surveys, of course you'll get disqualified from time to time, but that's just part of the game. That's just what's with it. But when it's featured, the higher probability of you completing the survey is definitely there. But you'll see here they have a long list of surveys that you can do. Okay, so just I tell people, like, when you want to do surveys, I'm saying, just look at the amount of time that it's asking from you and then what they're paying you. Like right here, 1 minute, 10 swag bucks. I mean, that's probably an easy, quick survey, 10 cents, just like that. And then also, if you want to, be able to get more surveys that are really, geared towards you, continue to fill out your survey profile. Okay. Not only that, they're paying you to do that. Answer these questions. Which of the following devices do you use to play games? You know what I'm saying? So you go here and answer it, and they're going to pay you 2 swag bucks for every 10 questions. So you're getting paid to answer this. And you have to do this, pretty much like every 2 days, which is cool because they're paying you. But at the same time, like, they're finding surveys that are geared towards this. So, for all of you who are saying, you're tired of getting disqualified for surveys, continue to do this. And when you're answering surveys, you have to be consistent in answering them. You can't just answer one survey one way, then answer another survey a different way, because now they don't really know what to give you. And now you're just always getting disqualified. So just make sure when it comes to surveys that you're just, your answers always line up, with every survey that you take. So basically the best way to do that is just to tell the truth in your profile and then in surveys, and you'll find that doing it the right way, you'll be able to qualify for more surveys. Not saying qualify for all of them, but you'll be able to qualify for more of them. So that's really just important to really just cut down on disqualifying for every single survey. So that's the answer side. Right here they have receipts. One thing I like to do is just take pictures of any receipt. You get 2 swag bucks for doing that. I'm saying, 2 cents. It isn't a lot, but I tell people all the time, receipts are there are just so many receipts. Like, the amount of receipts that you can get just in 1 week, and the fact that you get 2 cents for each one of them, I mean, you can really, it'll really add up over time. I'm saying? That's one of the things you don't really rely on, but you just do it, you know, every so often, and you'll find, hey, I really got some, good money from receipts. Let me go ahead and, cash that out. It helps your balance to, continue to grow it faster. So that's just one thing I like to do as well. When I get receipts, just take a picture of it. It's best to do it in their app. Swagbucks has an app. It just makes it so much simpler to, go in the app, snap the picture of the receipt, and get paid your 2 cents instantly. So that's how that goes. In the Discover section, they have different things you can do here. They got, all of the offers, offer walls at a Discover home. You can get paid to play games, finance, different trials that you can sign up for. Click and earn. You're really just clicking on ads, 1 cent for each of them. Very simple to do. You can get paid up to sign up. Also, they have charities you can donate to, or you're going to be a part of, things like that. So there's really, a numerous amounts of opportunity to make on this site. I will go ahead and show you the reward section, because they have one of the best reward section out there that I have seen when it comes to get paid to sites. And here's why. Because they have this on sale rewards right here. If I go to view all, you can see all of them. One of my favorite ones to do just on the on sale surveys is the virtual Visa gift card, the $25 one, which is right here. You only have to give them $21.75. They're going to give you $25. That's a really good trade. I think it is. I mean, and the thing about it is, all of these gift cards are on sale. So you just kind of pick which one you want. I usually go with the one that is, the one that I need, or the one that I want, and has the biggest offer discount. This one right here, 13% off. So basically, this is the one I'm going to get. So I'm going to cash this out. I'm going to click on it, and it's going to take me to this page. It's like some, information. It says at the bottom that this, let me cancel that out. This virtual reward will take up to 10 days to deliver. It takes really, like, 2, maybe 3 days, depending on the time of day that you cashed out. But, all my information is in there, as far as, they'll send it to my email, and all I do is click on claim gift card right here. And right there, you just verified your gift card. So now I just have to wait for it to be sent to me. Now I'm getting $25. I only had a little bit over $24 in my account, but you see, I still have more. I got $2.45 in my account. So, I'm on my way to my next cash out. So, I mean, this is, my favorite get paid to site, just the amount of, surveys and offers that they have. You can click on ads, you can watch videos, you can get paid to sign up. You know what I'm saying? They have just an endless amount of ways that you can cash out. You'll see here the gift cards. I mean, starting at $1. I mean, you can just kind of categorize them and how much you have. So they have a low cash out threshold. They have been around for years. I've been using this site since like the early 2000s, continue to make money with it. So, I mean, it's still around and they've just continued to improve it as the years go on. So here you have it, another $25 cash out. Only had to give them $21.75. So now I just wait for that gift card to be in my email and I can use it, wherever I want, just it's just like money. So Swagbucks, it is completely free to sign up. The link to the site is in the description. Sign up and always remember every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2000s.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.